Ever wonder why you start hiccuping like crazy after a few drinks? The answer's gonna blow your mind. Alcohol messes with your brain's signals to your diaphragm, that muscle under your lungs that helps you breathe. It's like your body's DJ gets a little too tipsy. Drinking irritates your nervous system, causing random spasms in your diaphragm. Plus, alcohol slows your brain's ability to control those spasms, so there they go. Got a wild hiccup story? Drop it in the comments. Next time you're hiccuping at a party, blame your brain's bad wiring. Smash that like button, follow for more sciencey stuff, and I'll catch you in the next short.